Hey, I'm Candace Bacon, also known as Coco Preem on the web, and today I'm going to show you a few tricks to promote your site on Pinterest using a targeted pinboard. And the basic steps will be to create the pinboard and then to add relevant content. This is an article I wrote about glow-in-the-dark activities, and I'm going to post it on Pinterest, but I'm going to do it in a way that will maximize its potential. To begin, you're going to need a targeted Pinterest board. This is one that I've already created about glow-in-the-dark party ideas. Now, to start your own targeted board, you'll want to pick a specific theme that will closely match what you have on your site or your article or your post or a product that you want to feature on Pinterest. You want to start out by doing some keyword research to see what people are searching for. You can use the Google AdWords keyword tool, something similar to that. And I looked up glow-in-the-dark activities, and this is what people have been searching for. So I've used that for the title of my pinboard. And you'll also notice that the name of this pinboard is also the URL. So if you change the name of a pinboard, it's going to change the web address. So you want to pick something and stick with it. Now you want to pick a category for your board. I picked weddings and events for this one. You'll want to fill out the description, and you can even add a hashtag to make it easier to find in searches. Now you'll want to start pinning articles and products and things onto your pinboard. And you can do that a couple of ways. You can use the add button here, and you'll just add a pin and copy and paste. Click Find Images, and you have some options here of images. You can scroll through. I'm going to go with the first one and make sure you're on the right board, glow-in-the-dark party here, and you'll fill out a description. The second way to add a pin to the site is to use the Pin It bookmarklet for your bookmarks tab tools. And it's a little easier to use because it shows you all the pictures at once and it fills out the description for you. Just make sure you're on the right board and pin it. You can also tweet your pins or share them on Facebook. Now, you can see that on this pin board I have about 15 or 20 pins, and only one of them is mine, my own content. If you pin just your own stuff, there's my pin. If you pin just your own stuff, you'll look like a spammer to other users. People won't follow you and they won't check out your stuff. But if you pin relevant things to a specific board, then people who are looking for ideas about that topic will be more inclined to check out what you have. So what I've created here is a pinboard about a topic that I write about frequently, and I've pinned one of my own articles, and then I'm supplementing it with other articles and products that would be helpful to someone who's looking for information on this topic. So the pinboard becomes a wealth of information for someone who's interested in it, and it's something that a user would be likely to follow. And the board will start to show up in Google search results eventually as people do searches for the topic. And that's how you create a targeted board that features your content or your product, but it does it in a way that will encourage other people who are interested in the topic to continue to interact with your board and to start following you, and hopefully to start repinning some of your pins in your content. So good luck and happy pinning!